me. Now, first success to India in the ongoing extradition proceedings against Mr. Mehul Choksi in Belgium. The Court of Appeals in Antwerp, Belgium, after hearing, has issued a preliminary judgment today rejecting Mehul Choksi's appeal against extradition. Remember, Choksi, arrested by Antwerp police on 11th April following a formal request from India's Central Bureau of Investigation, has languished in custody for over 4 months. His repeated bail applications were rebuffed, with the court deeming him a substantial flight risk. I have my colleague Brian Thomas joining me with more details. Brian, what more can you tell us?
Yes, clearly as of now, a court in Antwerp, Belgium, has approved his Mehul Choksi's extradition to India, ruling that his arrest by Belgian authorities earlier this year was legal and valid. And this decision also marks a very significant step forward. This very high profile case. Not only that, this has also been this has approved this court has also approved the fugitive diamond trader Mehul Choksi to India, ruling that his detention in Belgium authorities that happened in April 2025 was lawful and valid. And not only that, the court also observed that the charges India has brought, ranging from criminal conspiracy and corruption to destruction of evidences and breach of trust, that is also meeting with the principle of dual criminality. That is also, there are offenses recognized under the Belgian law itself. So clearly, they have given the charges have been approved, and it has also said that this is very lawful and this is very valid itself. Yes.
All right, Brian, stay on with me. Now, the Belgian court, while approving Mehul Choksi's extradition to India, stated that Mehul Choksi could still appeal the decision before a higher court, meaning he will not be immediately brought back to India. Meanwhile, officials describe the ruling as a crucial first step in the extradition process. Brian, back to you. What more details on this?
Yes, very, very clearly, the legal battle is not over yet, because the court has allowed Choksi the option to appeal the verdict before a higher judicial authority, which means that he will not be repatriated immediately. Indian officials have also called this development an important milestone also in the extradition process. Even Choksi has been warned in India in connection with this multi-billion-dollar fraud involving Punjab National Bank, and was arrested in Belgium. That happened earlier this year, and he had fled from India in 2018 and later acquired citizenship of Antigua and Barbuda, which complicated efforts also to bring him back. But clearly, this is also seen as a hailing moment. But even though, yes, despite this ruling, also his legal team can challenge the decision in a higher Belgian court itself, which is the Court of Cassation, or even Supreme Court, which is also called the Supreme Court equivalent. And because of that right, also his return to India cannot take place immediately. And authorities have also emphasized that this is a very pivotal, very important step in extradition process, but not the final word. Yes.
All right, Brian, thank you for that. Now, Rashtriya Lok Janshakti Party